Hello friends and new YouTubers. Hope you are doing well. So friends, we have seen on many social media platforms that a big question have always been asked by new YouTubers many times. Why our video does not viral, why our videos not getting views, not getting likes, how we will complete 4,000 hours watch time. Obviously these questions make YouTubers' frustration and anxiety increased. Yes, really it's a big question and I am sure no one would have given a valid and authentic answer of these questions. So today I decided that why not I share with you what I know, a recommended procedure from YouTube, that how you can viral your video on YouTube, how you can take millions of views and likes, and how you can achieve 4,000 hours time target. Yes, it is not an easy for new YouTubers to make video viral. But friends, forget your frustration, tension, anxiety. Just listen, your video can viral. So now, let's start and reveal the procedure, tips and tricks. Please listen carefully. Before start, make sure you have subscribed my channel and click the bell icon. Keep watching Learn and Earn playlist for more videos. Friends, one thing should understand to all new YouTubers logically, that most of the channels on the YouTube, I mean big channels, have already worked and exists. They don't have any problem or any concern that their videos are getting views or not, getting like or not, video going viral or not, subscribers are coming or not. For example, a channel have 130 to 140k subscriber. How much views this channel can get on daily? This channel can get around 30 to 40k views, I mean 30 to 40k good views, genuine views. And on the other hand, a small channel, how much he can get views on daily? This channel can get around 20 views, 50 views, 70 views, and when he reached 100 plus views his confidence level get increased. But somehow he thinks I have to achieve YouTube target and completed 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscriber as soon as possible, and he starts using shortcuts to complete the YouTube target. So what mistakes new YouTubers make on their start? They forcibly ask to users to become subscriber of the channel, they use uninspirational content in their video, and lost the viewers' interest and attention. As a result, growth of their channel stopped. So friend, don't use this kind of ways. Now let me tell you what is the best technique. Technique is, first, new YouTubers should understand about the YouTube algorithm. YouTube algorithm is very friendly for new YouTubers, because YouTube always want that the new YouTuber should always come on top of the list. There are two factors involved in to make the video viral. One factor is creator, means video maker, and the second factor is YouTube itself. New YouTubers should fulfill their responsibility and job, whereas YouTube cannot be incompetent to fulfill their duties and responsibilities. You can show incompetency, but YouTube never ever show their incompetency, as YouTube is on machine and he cannot be irresponsible, whereas we as human being can do mistakes but YouTube cannot. Now let's come to the point that how you have to work to viral the video. One thing you should understand and keep in your mind, that the video of new YouTubers always viral, yes, but basis on some conditions. New YouTuber always think one thing, that I have uploaded many videos but not any video have viral. What do you think, your video will never ever viral? No, it's wrong. There are many YouTubers who had uploaded their videos in past years back but that viral now and getting views in millions. So don't ever think that a year's been gone and video still not yet viral. Video can viral at any time. You just focus on your work, do your work, and YouTube will do his job to viral your video. So friends, what you have to keep in your mind, now listen what YouTube says. You must continue your work and upload video on daily basis. Some YouTubers upload daily 3 to 4 video, which they are working perfect. But initially you have to focus to upload single video daily with quality work. Now let's come to the very important part of the YouTube as analytics. Which is most important to understand to new YouTubers, that how YouTube check your work. Every YouTube account has a feature called analytics. This analytic feature explain everything about your every video's traffic, that from which source is coming, whether it is YouTube search, or browser feature, or external, or direct, or other YouTube features. So what you have to do is to pick up those topics which the YouTube users are searching. Don't use those topics in which you feel your interest, because you are making video for YouTube viewers, not for your own interest. Most new YouTubers make videos on those topics in which they feel their own interest. Don't do this. Try to read the mind of YouTube user and viewers, what they want to see, what they are finding on the YouTube, and what is their requirements. Always make your video according to the YouTube user's requirement. Once you've done this, see in the analytics, if your YouTube search graph is increasing, means YouTube algorithm has picked up your video because your traffic is coming from the YouTube search feature, and then YouTube tries to viral your video, so therefore you don't need to do viral video your own. YouTube will do their job to viral your video. So initially, till your channel monetize, select your video topics and content according to the YouTube user's mind, what they want, but not as per your own wish. So you have to do this work till you meet and complete YouTube 4,000 hours and 1,000 subscriber policy. So understand, when your videos and channel's search rate increased, the chance to viral your video also increased. Why? Because YouTube algorithm thinks and analyze that the topic and content of the video is as per the user's finding on the YouTube search. Once YouTube understand that your video content is matched YouTube users searching, it start optimizing video on their search engine, and day by day chances of your video viral highly increased. So friends, there is no other ways, no shortcut to video viral. Whether you share video on social media, share video link on WhatsApp, Facebook, your video will not viral. The only and authentic way to video viral is to increase your video search ratio on YouTube search. If you work on your video content as per the YouTube users searching, what kind of topics they find on YouTube, what query they use to find things on YouTube search, I am giving you the guarantee that your video must be viral. Don't think your video will not be viral. I am telling you again, YouTube algorithm is very much friendly for new YouTubers. In last, keep focus on these things. 1. Upload minimum 1 video on daily basis. 2. Choose video content as per the need of YouTube user, what they want to see. 3. Increase your video search ratio. 4. Don't use any shortcut to viral video, it is just waste of time. I am sure if you will follow these steps, your video must viral. Thanks for watching video, and don't forget to share your comments, like the video and subscribe channel.